Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shirt printing machines that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the HTVN heat press machine for t-shirts. The HTVN heat press machine for t-shirts is a highly portable and efficient machine that is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and small business owners. With a 10 inches x 10 pressing surface, this machine is ideal for pressing designs onto t-shirts, hats, vinyl, and sublimation materials. The fast heat-up time ensures that your designs are pressed quickly and with precision. The compact size makes it easy to store and transport, while the durable materials used in its construction guarantee long-lasting use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the HTVN heat press machine for t-shirts is an excellent investment for your business or personal use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HTVN Auto Heat Press Machine for t-shirts. The HTVN Auto Heat Press Machine for t-shirts is a game-changer for anyone looking to create custom designs on their clothing. With its 15 by 15 inch size and auto-release feature, this professional-grade heat press makes sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects a breeze. The machine is easy to use and provides consistent, high-quality results every time. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a great investment for any DIY enthusiast or small business owner. Overall, the HTVN Auto Heat Press Machine for t-shirts is a must-have tool for anyone looking to elevate their apparel game. At number 3, we have the CUTech Heat Press for t-shirts. The CUTech Heat Press is a professional-grade digital sublimation machine, perfect for creating high-quality transfers on t-shirts and other fabrics. With a 12 inches by 10 inches pressing surface and 360-degree swing-away feature, this machine is versatile and easy to use. The bonus 2 Teflon sheets provide added protection and durability for your transfers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a small business owner, the CUTech Heat Press is a great investment for your sublimation needs. At number 2, we have the Slender 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine t-shirts. The Slender 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine is a versatile tool for creating custom designs on a variety of surfaces. With its 12 by 15 inch platen, 360-degree swing-away feature, and digital controls, it is easy to use and produces high-quality results. This multifunctional machine can transfer designs onto t-shirts, mugs, hats, plates, and caps, making it a great option for small businesses, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their products. Made with durable materials, this heat press machine is built to last and provide consistent performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the VEVOR heat press for t-shirt. The VEVOR heat press is a fantastic option for those looking to create custom t-shirts and other heat transfer items. With a 12 by 10 inch press bed, it's the perfect size for most projects, and the easy-to-use controls make it simple to get started. The machine is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it will last for years to come, and the sublimation capabilities mean that you can create vibrant, long-lasting designs. Whether you're a professional looking to expand your business or a hobbyist looking to create unique gifts for friends and family, the VEVOR heat press is a great choice.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.